In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a clean Notion-style main menu in Anytype to keep your workspace organized. We're going to create a simple home dashboard that looks polished, feels easy to navigate, and gives you one central place to jump to the pages, sets, and collections you use most. This is especially helpful if your workspace is starting to grow and you want a cleaner system for moving around without digging through the sidebar every time. So to begin, open Anytype and head to the left sidebar. Click the plus icon to create a brand new page object. This will give you a fresh blank canvas where your menu will live. Think of this page as your control center, the place you'll return to whenever you want a quick overview of your workspace. Once the page opens, give it a clear title like Home or Main Menu. Choose whichever name feels more natural for the way you work. After that, add a custom icon and a cover image. This part may seem small, but it really helps make the page feel intentional and visually clean. A simple icon and a neat cover can make the dashboard easier to recognize at a glance and more pleasant to open every day. Next, click onto a new line, type a / and select Callout. Callout blocks work really well here because they create clear visual containers for your menu categories. You can use each one as a separate section, which makes the page feel structured instead of cluttered. If you want a cleaner result, keep your section names short and easy to scan. After creating your visual blocks, drag and drop them side by side to build a column layout across the page. This is what gives the menu that organized, modern look. Try to space the sections in a way that feels balanced and readable. A column layout makes it much easier to see multiple categories at once without having to scroll too much. Now click inside each section and type the @ symbol. This lets you link directly to your favorite existing pages, sets, or collections. It's a quick and effective way to turn each section into a navigation hub. Add the destinations you open most often so your dashboard becomes genuinely useful in your daily workflow. Finally, open the options menu for your new page and pin it to the sidebar. This makes it act as your permanent home dashboard, so it's always within reach the moment you open Anytype.